Chapter 14. Our Human Resources. Let's learn Human Resources in India and Human Resources Development. Nature has bestowed our country with bountiful gifts in many ways. We have good and fertile soil, plenty of water, variety of forest, and rich mineral wealth. The proper utilization of these natural resources depends upon trained, skillful, and healthy human resources. The manpower or productive population of a country is known as its human resources. Info Hive. Number of people living per square kilometer is known as population density. Human resources in India. Human resources are the people who make products or provide services. It is the resource that resides in the knowledge, skills, and motivation of people. We need skilled people to convert available natural resources into useful goods. Info Hive. India occupies just 2.4% of the world's land area, but has 17.5% of the world's population. Good quality, high volume production of goods and services push the economic growth of the country and improve the living standard of the common man. Thus, the people of a country are its greatest resource. Info Hive. As industries move from manual to more automated systems, the need for highly skilled people increases. India is a vast country having a large pool of skilled and professional manpower, that is, scientists, engineers, doctors, and other skilled people. India has produced great scientists, doctors, engineers, politicians, and sportspersons of international fame. It has also achieved top positions in international beauty contests. Therefore, we are quite rich in human resources. The people. Banks give easy loans to farmers to purchase quality seeds and fertilizers to increase crop production. Land and houses are being allotted to the poor. Jobs are being given to the poor. People are being encouraged to have small families. Info Hive. Every rural household can ask for 100 days of work from government under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. More and more top quality professional educational institutions are being opened. The government is encouraging self-employment for educated and skilled youth by providing necessary finance, training, and operational assistance. With improvement in the quality of our human resources, we can make better use of our natural resources. All of us must have work and a regular income to improve our own lives and lives of those around us. Brain tickler. Why is the Indian government encouraging people to have smaller families? Recap. Human resources are the people who make products or provide services. This resource resides in the knowledge, skills, and motivation of people. India is the second most populous country in the world after China. Growth in population leads to lack of resources, poverty, illiteracy and child labor. The government is taking steps to solve the civic problems of the people and generate employment opportunities. Banks give easy loans to farmers to purchase quality seeds and fertilizers to increase crop production. Smaller families are being encouraged. Life skills. Why do you bring your child along with you? My child helps me in gardening. This is not the right age for him to earn. You should send him to school. We do not have money for his education. Children are given free education up to the age of 14.